You've probably heard of Venmo, PayPal, or Apple Pay. Easy, right? You open the app, link your card, and voila, you're transferring money. But what if I told you there's a payment system so integrated into a country's life that it's become a verb? Intrigued? Let's talk about VIPs. Now, if you're thinking VIPs is some kind of Scandinavian dance move, you're not alone. But trust me, it's way cooler than that. VIPs is actually the lifeblood of Norway's economy. It's more than just an app, it's a cultural phenomenon. Imagine a world where you don't need cash. A world where paying for that overpriced latte or splitting the bill after dinner is as simple as sending a text. That's VIPs. It's a mobile payment app so dominant in Norway that it's become synonymous with paying. People don't say, "I'll pay you back," they say, "I'll VIPs you." But how did this happen? How did a small Scandinavian country become a pioneer in mobile payments? Let's dive into the history. Norway, a country known for its fjords, Vikings, and now, surprisingly, fintech, has always been ahead of the curve when it comes to technology. Remember when dial-up internet was a thing? Norway was one of the first countries to achieve widespread broadband access. So, it's no surprise that they were early adopters of mobile payments. VIPs was launched in 2015 by DNB, Norway's largest bank. The idea was simple: make payments as easy as sending a text. And boy, did it work. Within months, millions of Norwegians were on board. But VIPs isn't just about convenience. It's also about security. Norway has a strong focus on data privacy, and VIPs is no exception. Your money is safe, and your personal information is protected. So, what can you do with VIPs? Well, pretty much everything. You can pay for your groceries, your coffee, your rent, even donate to charity. You can split bills with friends, send money to family, and even buy concert tickets. It's your wallet, but on steroids. But wait, there's more. VIPs is also becoming a platform for other services. You can book appointments, buy train tickets, and even order food through the app. It's becoming a one-stop shop for your daily life. So, the next time you're in Norway, don't be surprised if you see people tapping their phones instead of reaching for their wallets. And if you ever get the chance to visit, make sure to download VIPs. You might just wonder how you ever lived without it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.